Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Remove the sealing of the footwell. Disconnect the light from the panel. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. These rivets require pressing the center button down and prying the base up with your trusty screwdriver. Remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the glove box. Pry off the glove box assembly. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Disconnect the light from the panel. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. There may be some wires in the way. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1058 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the pins by squeezing the bottom and threading it through the hole. Once the center is pressed down, the pin will be locked. Reinstall the bottom screws. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the 2 securing tabs behind the frame. This will secure the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Reconnect the footwell light. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.